Within list, what we'll be talking about, how can you create list, then how do you do the indexing and slicing of lists, and then we'll talk about basic list methods, and then we'll talk about list within a list. Let's move forward directly to what is a particular list. How can we define a list? So for example, I have created a variable which has the name my list. So in this variable, we're storing a list object. In Python, when we try to define a list object, what we do, so let's say I create a variable list object. So this is an empty list. How does the Python know that a particular variable is a list object? We'll simply do a square bracket thing. One will be left square bracket and the right square bracket. This defines a list object. So within this, you can add your elements by specifying a comma. So different elements will be separated by commas of a list. So for example, if I do this and I try to see what my list object is. So my list object is 1, 2, 3. If I try to do what is the type of this list object, so it gives me list. Python knows that it's a list object. So the basic way to define a list variable is to use the square brackets, and then you mention your values separated by comma. So Python will know this is the first element, this is the second element, this is the third element in that sequence. So one more important thing about list is that here we were storing only values with similar data type. So those were all numeric. We can also add strings with float variables. We can also have numeric variables. So for example, the first element of this list is a string. Then the second element is an integer value. Then third element is a float value. Then the fourth element is a simple character. Within a list, different elements can have different data types. So that is totally supported in Python. That's why lists are very useful objects in Python. What will the length of a list? The number of elements it has. So for example, my list has 4 elements. One is a string value, one is a numeric, one is a float, and one is a character. So I have 4 elements here. So if I do length of my list, so it is 4. Python tells me the length of my list is 4 because it has 4 elements. Once we know how to you define a list, how can you find the length of a list, we move forward to indexing and slicing methods.